Welcome today in front of me Google Pixel 6 and I'll show you how to enable ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and here just go to the sounds and vibration section. Right there you got the ring and notification volume. Just to activate it, swap with your finger to the right side. And as can you hear right now, our ring and notification volume is set up. So also we got the second way, just press here on the volume one from the volume buttons on the right panel of your phone and go to the three dots here, and by the same way swipe with your finger to the right side and tap to done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.